From VOA Learning English, this is the Health Report. The spread of Western eating habits around the world is bad for both human health and the environment. Those findings come from a new report in the journal Nature. David Tillman is a professor of ecology at the University of Minnesota. In the study, he examined information from 100 countries to identify what people ate and how diet affected health. Mr. Tillman said he found that as nations industrialized, population increased, and earnings rose. More people began to adopt what has been called the Western diet. They started eating like people in Western countries. But the Western diet is high in refined or processed sugar, fat, oil, and meat. By eating these foods, people began to get fatter and sicker. David Tillman said, overweight people are at greater risk for non-infectious diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and some cancers. China, he said, is an example where the number of diabetes cases has jumped. He said it has gone from less than 1% of the population to 10% over a 20-year period. David Tillman said it is also happening in Mexico and Nigeria. And a diet bad for people also appears to be bad for the environment. As the world's population grows, experts say more forest and tropical areas will become farmland for crops or grasslands for cattle. Mr. Tillman said this will likely create more greenhouse gases, which are linked to climate change. He says one possible solution is to stop eating the Western diet. That means reducing carbohydrates like pasta, rice, potatoes, and bread. For VOA Learning English, I'm Jonathan Evans.